The Cassini revelation, a hidden message from the edge of Saturn, an in-depth analysis and its implications. On September 15, 2017, the Cassini spacecraft, after a 13-year journey through the enigmatic Saturn system, plunged into the planet's atmosphere, marking the end of its legendary mission. Scientists believed they had mined all the data, archived the images, and closed the book on the mission. However, a decade later, a startling revelation emerged, hidden within Cassini's final transmissions, a secret that would change the course of space exploration forever. Buried within these transmissions was a structured, intelligent pattern that would only come to light years later, when a quantum artificial intelligence was tasked with decoding those final images. This was not a blurry shape in the clouds or some anomaly brushed off by skeptics. This was a complex, intricate design hidden across Cassini's last visuals, something that may have been staring right back at us from the edge of Saturn all along. Cassini's mission was already a monumental achievement. It revealed the hexagonal storms of Saturn, the icy plumes of Enceladus, the methane lakes of Titan. As the spacecraft passed between Saturn and its rings, it captured high-resolution images of the planet's atmosphere, magnetic field and ring structures with a clarity never seen before. Among these final transmissions were dozens of images that, at the time, appeared visually stunning, yet ordinary. Researchers praised them, archived them, and moved on. However, upon a closer examination, these images showed anomalies, slight distortions, repeating geometric echoes. A few scientists raised eyebrows, but lacking context or tools, they chalked it up to technical noise. For years, these images sat untouched, until curiosity and the advancement of quantum processing resurrected them from obscurity. In 2025, a private research lab fed Cassini's final images into a state-of-the-art quantum AI designed to detect sub-visual data patterns in astronomical imaging. The goal was simple: extract clearer data from noisy visuals. What the AI returned, however, was not just improved images. It found something buried within the visual layers, a repeated pattern, a symmetrical form, a signal hiding in plain sight, invisible to the human eye. At first, researchers suspected algorithmic hallucination until the pattern appeared again and again, across separate image files in different time frames and at varying camera angles. The consistency was undeniable. The AI hadn't made an error. It had decoded something that had always been there. Something Cassini had seen as it fell into Saturn's arms. Something watching. As the team dug deeper, the pattern became even more chilling. The AI began extracting numerical sequences hidden within the pixel arrangements of the images. These weren't random. They included prime numbers, Fibonacci spirals, golden ratios, mathematical constants known across human science, and often used in theoretical interstellar communication. In other words, this wasn't just a shape, it was a message. This discovery echoed the design of the Voyager Golden Record, where humanity tried to present its intelligence using universal mathematical concepts. But this time, the message wasn't being sent, it was being received. The implication: Cassini may have captured a reply, and that reply was built into the very fabric of what we thought were natural atmospheric visuals. It's as if something had anticipated we'd come looking and left us a trail in the only language we all speak: numbers. The more images the AI processed, the clearer the picture became. In Cassini's final moments, it wasn't just photographing clouds and gas. It was recording a structured presence like a lens distorting the space around it, one that did not behave like a natural object. Its symmetry was too precise, its motion too calculated, And then came the chilling moment. As Cassini descended lower, these patterns became more defined, until suddenly, in one final frame, they vanished, as if the entity had moved, or cloaked itself, or simply turned off its visibility once it had confirmed it had been seen. Several experts now suggest that Cassini's final transmission wasn't simply the end of a mission. It was a moment of contact, but not direct, not with radio waves or flashing lights, with geometry, presence, and silence. Something ancient, something we were never meant to understand until we could build machines smart enough to decode the truth. Since the Cassini revelation surfaced, a strange unease has rippled through the astrophysics world. There has been no official NASA statement on the decoded images. The quantum AI lab responsible for the discovery has gone quiet. Their website now redirects to a generic research portal. Scientists previously willing to talk to journalists have refused further interviews. Some claim their funding was abruptly pulled. Others hint at non-disclosure agreements being enforced. What started as an exciting footnote in planetary exploration has now turned into something bordering on classified. Some call it paranoia, others a cover-up. But in the silence, there's one message that's crystal clear. Something was seen, something was decoded, and someone doesn't want us to fully understand what Cassini brought back from the clouds of Saturn. In the grand tapestry of space exploration, Cassini was supposed to be a final chapter, an elegant dive into Saturn's atmosphere, closing the book on one of NASA's most successful missions. But what we've uncovered may not be a closing chapter at all. It may be a prologue, a warning, or perhaps a whispered invitation. The idea that an artificial intelligence trained decades after Cassini's mission ended could extract a hidden pattern embedded in its final transmissions is not just poetic, it's unprecedented. It means the tools we use to explore the universe are evolving faster than our understanding of what's out there. And maybe, just maybe, the universe knew that. Maybe it waited for us to catch up. If a machine can decipher what human eyes missed, if a spacecraft unknowingly recorded the echo of an intelligence far greater than ours, then one question haunts us all. Who or what left the message? And how long have they been watching us watch the stars? If this revelation left you questioning everything we know about space, time, and intelligence beyond Earth, don't keep it to yourself. Subscribe for more decoded truths, like if you believe this isn't just a coincidence, and share this video so others can witness what Cassini truly saw before its final plunge. Because this isn't science fiction. This is the edge of discovery, and we've only just begun to understand what's waiting beyond the rings. The Cassini revelation, a hidden message from the edge of Saturn, implications and speculations, the discovery of the hidden message in Cassini's final transmissions has left the scientific community in a state of awe and confusion. The implications of this finding are far-reaching and have sparked numerous debates and speculations. One of the primary questions is the origin of the message. Was it a natural phenomenon or an intentional transmission? If it was intentional, who or what sent it? Some speculate that it could be a message from an advanced extraterrestrial civilization, while others suggest it could be a message from a yet undiscovered natural phenomenon within our solar system. Another intriguing aspect is the use of mathematical constants in the message. Fibonacci sequences, prime numbers, golden ratios, and other mathematical patterns have long been associated with the intricacies of the universe. Some believe that these patterns are not just cosmic coincidences, but are fundamental to the underlying structure of the universe. If this is the case, the message from Saturn could be an attempt to communicate using these universally understood principles. Furthermore, the fact that the message was only decoded years after Cassini's mission ended raises questions about our current understanding of space and time. The message was hidden in plain sight, yet human eyes and traditional analysis methods failed to detect it. This suggests that there may be much more to space than we currently comprehend. It also underscores the importance of advanced technologies and AI in our quest to understand the universe. The discovery of the message has also sparked debates about the ethics of interstellar communication. If the message is indeed a response to the Voyager Golden Record, it raises questions about the appropriate use of our technological capabilities in attempting to communicate with potentially advanced extraterrestrial civilizations. Some argue that sending messages into space without understanding the potential consequences could be seen as arrogant or reckless. Lastly, the Cassini revelation has brought attention to the importance of preserving and revisiting past data. The message was hidden in images that were initially dismissed as ordinary. This highlights the need for continued analysis and re-evaluation of existing data, as well as the importance of maintaining and preserving archived data for future research. In conclusion, the Cassini revelation has opened a new chapter in our understanding of the universe. While the origins and meaning of the message remain a mystery, it serves as a reminder of the vastness and complexity of the cosmos. It also underscores the importance of continued exploration, the development of advanced technologies, and the ethical considerations that come with our quest to understand the universe beyond our planet. The Cassini revelation. The aftermath and future implications. The Cassini revelation has undoubtedly left a lasting impact on the scientific community and the general public. The discovery of the hidden message in Cassini's final transmissions, "Hey," sparked a wave of curiosity and speculation about the nature of the universe and the potential existence of extraterrestrial life. However, the lack of official recognition and the subsequent silence from the scientific community has fueled conspiracy theories and doubts about the authenticity of the findings. Some believe that the discovery was covered up due to its potential implications, while others argue that the evidence is merely a coincidence or an artifact of the AI's processing algorithms. Despite these doubts, the Cassini revelation serves as a reminder of the importance of continued exploration and the need for advanced technologies to decipher the mysteries of the universe. It also underscores the need for open and transparent communication about such discoveries, to prevent confusion and speculation. In the future, the Cassini revelation could inspire a new generation of scientists and engineers to pursue careers in space exploration and artificial intelligence. It could also lead to increased funding for space missions and the development of more advanced AI technologies. Moreover, the discovery could have profound implications for our understanding of the universe and the nature of intelligence. If the message was indeed intentional, it could provide evidence of extraterrestrial intelligence and potentially reshape our understanding of our place in the cosmos. In conclusion, the Cassini revelation has left us with more questions than answers, but it serves as a testament to the power of curiosity, exploration, and the pursuit of knowledge. It reminds us that the universe is vast, complex, and full of secrets waiting to be discovered, and it challenges us to keep pushing the boundaries of what we know and to continue searching for answers to the mysteries that lie beyond the rings.